We're reviewing the XTS-ZX gloves, 7.8 volts, 3000 milliamp battery. They have up to 7 hours of runtime at the low setting of 104 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The medium level is 113 to 131 plus degrees at 3.5 to 5 hours of runtime, and the highest setting of 131 to 140 degrees, 2.5 to 3 hours of runtime. Red is high, blue is medium, green is low, and off is off. You have a clip that you simply just release to separate the gloves in case you want to keep them together. I have a nice large hand, and this is a large glove. They have a Velcro strap that would tighten up to keep the heat in and gloves won't fall off. And they have a pull string that you could pull in as well. On the inside is where you're going to put in your battery and your cable, located inside the glove. It is a braided cable with a DIN plug. It is fleece lining inside. It is lined all the way to the fingertips. To charge the battery, plug in the cables and make sure that you remove after charging. They will light up green when complete. The gloves will allow you to operate your smartphone. When fully charged, plug in to the battery, the glove, slide in the battery, and close the weather sealed door, which is really tightly closed with rubber. Place on the glove. Turn on the unit by pressing the button, long press. It turns on to the green, as is low. Change it to medium and change to high and back to low. To shut the glove off, long press. The glove is going to generate heat. You can see the glove's generating heat by the fingertips and warming up around the palm. As the glove warms up, you can see all the warm areas. These gloves fit nice and comfortable, and they will light up. You simply hit the on button for the desired temperature you want for both gloves. Place in the battery pack once again, and hours on use on those cold days. I take a nice extra large size glove for my extra large hands, and you would want to make sure that you check online for further details about the size of your gloves. I hope these are something that you are looking for in a product that you are after. Thank you very much for viewing.